It is officially 2025, and in order to kick off this year, I'm going to go through my website and show you just how I plan on bringing in clients to my agency. So let's get started. So as you can see, FuturePath AI is the name of my agency, and pretty basic stuff. Just have my phone number, email, book demo, and pricing buttons at the top of the screen here. So future-proof your business today with FuturePath AI. That's kind of my slogan. And then as we get right here, we'll see just a big black box that I have not put a video in yet for, but what I'm going to put in here is just a demo of a phone call. So my offer is a AI voice assistant using gohighlevel, and I'll show you a little bit later in the video just exactly what that looks like or how it is I built that. My previous video was a video of me building that bot, but I'll do a little snippet of that in this video. So I'm just going to have a demo phone call, let's say for a dog groomer, right? I'll train the bot to, be a Sally's dog grooming business, right? And so it will be able to book appointments, whether that's through a calendar, which is a feature that's coming soon. Right now, if you say, hey, I want to book Sparky at a 9 o'clock appointment on Saturday, it would just send a text to your phone. So you can go ahead and do that through the website. But eventually what's going to happen is you're going to be able to just say, hey, Sparky needs to get in at 9 o'clock Saturday if that's available. And then boom, you will be put on the calendar after you give your name, email, and phone number. So just want to have a quick little demo right when you open the website, right when you click in. I want that to be what you view and what you look at, and just listen to that phone call, right? And of course, this is my agency phone number up here. And so I have trained this phone number right here on my website and my offer. And so that's another thing. If people want to call that as well, then they'll be able to get up to speed right through there. Next, I have these book demo jumping buttons, as you can see here. All that will do is just take you to my calendar down here. But I just highlight some of the features initially. So never miss a call, quick and easy updates, cost savings, peace of mind. So opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Should your callers. Our AI agent guarantees that every incoming call is answered, ensuring no missed opportunities or dissatisfied clients. So I won't go through and read all of these. Really, all I did was I went to ChatGPT, as probably most of you have done before, and said, hey, I am creating an agency with these kind of features and these things that I want to sell. Give me a little quick little snippet of something I could put on my website to describe this service. And with a little bit of tweaking, we got this down after about 2 minutes. So really professionally done. It looks really good, and not something I would have been able to come up with on my own. So shout out to ChatGPT there. Next, we're going to get into just how we differ from the competition. So when I say the competition, I really mean human beings. Because I think in the next, at least few years, these AI voice assistants are going to take over receptionist jobs, right? I mean, look at this. Instant knowledge, affordable, never misses a call, runs 24/7, no turnover. All these features here are, unfortunately, something all human beings cannot exactly compete with. So I think the average receptionist pay right now is around $15 an hour. And if you multiply that $15 for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week for a month, that turns out to be around $2,300. And so if your voice assistant is anything less than that or around $1,000, they're saving over 50%, right? Just on that. And not only that, they have the peace of mind, which I'll get into which I already, pointed out up here, that they don't have to worry about somebody showing up to work that day. Their assistant's running 24/7, right? 24/7. And if they want to make some changes or they have a new update, this dog groomer, right, their calendar booked up, or they want to promote something new, all you have to do is add it to the knowledge base and you're good to go. You don't have to remember, a human being doesn't have to remember to mention it or anything like that. You're good to go. So next thing down here, our AI assistant provides all the tools you need to succeed, save time and money, error-free accuracy, and leveraging the power of AI. So kind of just reiterates the points I mentioned above, but again, just something good to have on there. And then although the AI voice assistant is my main feature, which I'm calling the AI assistant, I have some other offers as well: reputation management, database reactivation, and the AI website assistant. Again, feel free to read these if you would like. Again, I created all this through ChatGPT, and I even got these images through Canva. So really easy stuff. Took me about 20 minutes to get all these images and all this text in here as well. So really quick and easy. And then below, again, we have the calendar that I showed you earlier. So next part we are going to get into is the pricing tab. So maybe a little interesting that I have this up here. I'm not sure if that's something I'm going to be moving in the future, but if you guys have a website that you're promoting with your agency, whatever, feel free to comment down below just so I can take a look and maybe draw a little bit of inspiration off of what you guys have. I'd love to see it. So we'll go into this pricing tab here. And so it's a little bit ugly right now, but and also there's a glitch within gohighlevel at the moment. I've been going back and forth with support. These prices are not right, and this is not something my first client will be paying either, as I'm really just looking for a good word of mouth, good review, and maybe some recommendations if they have them. So the first offer I'm going to have is the no AI voice assistant, again being my main service. It would just provide those three services I mentioned before, as you can see with the check marks versus the X's. The middle package will provide the AI phone assistant and nothing else. And then the ultimate or the premium will have all three. This is pretty basic laid out. I drew inspiration from another website I saw somebody have, so called My AI Employee. So mine's a little bit different in that I have the video up front where I'm going to have the demo. This one kind of gets right into the features and has this boost your sales now button, but I'm guessing this just takes you to the payment page. So get started today, transform the team with AI employee, always on customer support, yada, 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 kind of looks good. Then we got the Google reviews, which who knows how legitimate these look, but it doesn't matter. This is just neither here nor there. It's just this is just drawing inspiration, right? And I don't have any reviews at the moment, so I'm not going to put it out there that I do have them. FAQ, maybe another good thing to have if you don't have a chatbot here in the bottom right-hand corner like we typically see. Let's go into contact us, exactly what you would think. Pricing, just what we saw in that little pop-up. So as I alluded to earlier, I was going to show you exactly how I have this set up within gohighlevel, or where you go to at least set this up. So really simple and easy. You're going to want to just go to your settings here on the left-hand bar, and then go to your voice AI agents. As you can see, I have two of them, one of them connected to my agency's phone number, and then one with nothing there. So we're going to go ahead and click on Sally. So I think when I was playing around with Sally, I went ahead and just pretended that Sally was a pizza receptionist, right? For pizza receptionist. Worked in a pizza shop, I'm going to take phone calls, that sort of thing. Agent goals, you can go to basic mode or advanced. This advanced kind of gives you, shows you the prompt and much more spelled out, right? And so you can put in here, this wasn't in here when I initially started it, but I'm telling the agent to collect their address, if it's pickup or delivery, their pizza size, crust, toppings, all that. And then also promoting a special here of buy one pizza, get a 2-liter soda deal. And so what I have in here is the call transfer. So I just put in a random phone number here, but what you can have this do is say the voice assistant is, giving this person, the caller, a little bit of trouble, right? They can come in and say, if they say anything along the lines of, I want to talk to a real person, or I'm done talking to robots, it would then go ahead and transfer to a real person within the pizza shop. So that is the trigger we have in place here. When do we want this to happen? Well, when someone asks to talk to a real person. And what to say before transferring? No problem. I'll transfer you to one of our receptionists now. Next here, we have update contact field. So when they call in, you can go ahead and get their email, their phone number, whatever, when to update the field or what to update in the field, email of the caller. Example, when the caller tells you their email. Pretty simple stuff. Same thing with the name and their phone number. You can also go ahead and send a text message. So there's no button right now, or there's no update to have the person. This is a bad example as it's a pizza shop, but let's just say that we're back to the dog grooming business. You can go ahead and, since you can't book an appointment over the phone just yet, you'll have to send a link to that person's phone. Here is a calendar link where you can book an appointment with us and then link the calendar. When should the SMS delivery take place? If the caller asks to book an appointment, or if they want to book any appointment, and if we ask them if they want to book an appointment and they say yes. What to say before sending that is, I'll send over a quick text with our calendar link so you can book with us. Again, super simple stuff. So my last video is where I kind of dove into what that would look like. But then phone availability, next tab over, we can see, set working hours. But right now we're just going to want to have this run 24/7, which is the default. And then call logs, really interesting here. Well, I don't have any at the moment, but it'll do exactly what it says it'll do. It'll just take a transcript of the entire call. So this is good, especially in the early days of setting this bot up. So the restaurant or whoever this is set up for is able to take a look at that and see, okay, well, and this is good for you as well. If, okay, it didn't ask this and maybe it didn't spell this out here. It's just great for training purposes. And if maybe the person was a little bit hard to understand, then they can go ahead and look in the transcript and see exactly maybe what was said. So really just wanted to make this video today to show you what my website looks like. And as always, these videos are kind of just put together to be very transparent, no real script here, to show everything that's going on within my agency, and really going to start making some more phone calls and emails, campaigns, all that sort of thing in order to get some customers, at least make some kind of enticing first offer. So feel free to comment down below if you liked the video, and show me your website. I'd love to see, maybe what you guys have got going, and I will see you in the next video.